Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter for start and end dates using parameters in Tableau. This is incredibly useful when you want to give yourself or your viewers dynamic control over date ranges in your visualizations, making your dashboards more interactive and flexible. First, open your browser and navigate to the Tableau website by typing tableau.com into your address bar. This will take you to the Tableau homepage where you can access all of Tableau's features and tools. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account if you have one. Or alternatively, open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public, depending on which version you're working with. Click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials to proceed. Now it's time to create or open a workbook where you'll be setting up your date parameters. Click on Explore in the navigation menu, then look for the option to start a new workbook by clicking on New. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, select Workbook to create a fresh workspace for your project. Next, you'll need to connect to your data source. In the Start page, under the Connect section, you'll see various options for data sources such as Excel, text file, or database connections. Click on Files, then choose Upload from Computer, select the dataset you wish to use in Tableau, and click Open. Once your file uploads successfully, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so type in something descriptive and click Publish. This process might take a moment depending on your file size, so just be patient while Tableau processes your data. Now we're getting to the heart of the tutorial. On the left side panel, locate and click the drop-down arrow. An expanded selection will appear with various options. From here, select Create Parameter. This is where you'll define the controls for your date filtering. A customization window will pop up, giving you full control over your parameter settings. To create a filter for start and end dates, begin by filling in the name of your parameter. Type in something you can easily identify, like start date initially. For the data type, click the drop-down and select Date and Time. Then configure the display format by clicking the drop-down arrow and choosing how you want your dates to appear. This ensures your parameter will handle date values correctly. Now click on Add Values from. This option determines which data field you'll be using this parameter on. From the available fields, select Date. You've now successfully configured the parameter for the start date, which will serve as the beginning point of your date range filter. Now you'll simply repeat these exact same steps to create the parameter for the end date. Click the drop-down arrow on the left side panel, again select Create Parameter, and this time use end date as the parameter name for easy identification. Follow the same process, setting the data type to date and time, configuring your display format, and selecting the date field under Add Values from. You've now created both start and end date parameters that will allow you to dynamically filter your data based on custom date ranges. This setup gives you the flexibility to analyze specific time periods in your visualizations with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.